Hello, my name is Nuraiza Amilin binti Muhammad Alifruddin. In this video, I'm going to explain to you about the database concept, which are type of database, evolution of file system, and the last one is problems with file system processing. Okay, first, type of database. There are 5 types of database, which are number of users, location, specified environments, usage, degree to which the data is organized. Okay, first, number of users. Single users database supports one user at a time. Desktop database runs on PC. Multi-user database supports multiple users at the same time. Word group database supports a small number of users or a specific department. For example, a finance department only can access to certain database. Enterprise database supports many users across many departments. For example, we take MMU. MMU is enterprise because have multiple departments like finance, human capital, and so on. And all can access from one database, and so that is called enterprise. Okay, the next one is location. Centralized database, meaning data is located at a single site. For example, we take as MMU. MMU got 3 branches, which are at the Sabujaya, Malacca, and Johor, and all of the branches have one centralized database. So it means all 3 campus can only access that database. The second one is distribute database, meaning is data is distributed across different sites. Okay, we take example as different branches can access different location of database. And the third one is cloud database. The meaning is created and maintained using cloud data services that provide defined performance measures for the database. Okay, the third one is specific environments. There is two for specific environments, which is general purpose database. That means contains a wide variety of data used in multiple disciplines. The second one is discipline specific database. That means contains data focused on specific subject areas. Okay, the fourth one is usage. A personal database designed to support a company's day-to-day operation. This one is like a factory. Also known as online transaction processing or LTP database, transactional database or production database. The second one is analytical database. That means stores historical data and business metric used exclusively for technical or strategic decision making. Okay, we take a example, a restaurant like KFC, McD, or any other fast food restaurant and so on. They gonna do some survey about their most selling products, and they are going to use that data to make more new promotion in future. That's what we call analytical database. Okay, let's move on. Comprise two main components. Data warehouse stores data in a format optimized for decision support. The second one is online analytical processing, or we call as OLAP. It's a set of tools that work together, provide an advanced data analysis environment for retrieving, processing, and modeling data from the data warehouse. Okay, for the last one of the type of database, which is degree to which the data is organized. Okay, the first one is unstructured data. It exists in their original state. Structured data, it results from formatting. Structure is applied based on type of processing to be performed. And the third one, semi-structured data, processed to some extent. And the last one is extensible markup language, or we call as XML. represents data elements in textual format. So, as you can see, this is the difference between structured data and unstructured data. For the first one is characteristic. For the structured data, predefined data models, usually text only, easy to search. For unstructured data, no predefined data model, may be text, image, sound, video, or other formats, difficult to search. Resides in for structured data, relational databases, data warehouses. For the unstructured data applications, NoSQL or SQL databases, data warehouses, data lakes. Generated by for the structured data, humans or machine. Same goes to unstructured data, humans or machines. Typical applications for the structured data, airline reservation system, inventory control, CRM system, ERP system. For the unstructured data, word processing, presentation software, email clients, tools for viewing or editing media. Examples of structured data: dates, phone numbers, social security numbers, credit card numbers, customer names, addresses, product names and numbers, transaction information. For the unstructured data, the examples is text files, reports, email messages, audio files, video files, image, and the last one is surveillance imagery. So let's move on to the evaluation of data. As you can see, this is the pyramid of the unstructured, quasi-structured, semi-structured, and structured. So unstructured data that has no inherent structure and is usually stored as different type of files. For example, text documents, PDF, images, and videos. For the second one is quasi-structured, and I'm not sure if I'm spelling it right. Textual data with erratic formats that can be formatted with effort and software tools. For example, clickstream data. The third one, semi-structured data. Textual data files with an apparent pattern enabling analysis. For example, spreadsheets and XML files. For the structured data having a defined data model, format structure, for example, database. So this, as we can see, this pyramid is increasing growth from the below until the above. So it starts from structured, semi-structured, quasi-structured, and then unstructured. Evaluation of file system data processing. There are three, which is manual file system, computerized file system Redux, modern and user productivity tools. The first one, manual file system, accomplishes through a system of file folders and filtering cabinets. So we take as example, like in school, the teacher take out a file that contain all of your information, the student information. And another example is when you visit the clinic or the hospital, the nurse take out a file about your previous visit. That's the example of manual file system. Okay, the second one, computerized file system. Data processing or DP specialist created a computer-based system that would track data and produce required reports. The third one is file system Redux, modern and user productivity tools. It includes spreadsheet programs such as Microsoft Excel. For example, the data like which month sale is increased and decreased. Okay, for the last one of the database concept, there is problem with file system data processing. For example, there is five problem. As we can see here, there is five problem with file system data processing. The first one is lengthy development time. The second one, difficulty of getting quick answer. The third one, complex system administration. The fourth one, lack of security and limited data sharing. And the last one is extensive programming.